This is a tutorial on how to use the Xbox One gaming system in the Oak Creek Public Library gaming room. For information about the gaming room or how to reserve it for use, please go to www.oakcreeklibrary.org/gaming-room. The Xbox can be turned on by pressing the power button located at the right-hand side on the front of the device. Alternatively, you can use one of the Xbox controllers to turn on the Xbox by pressing and holding down the Xbox button in the middle of the controller. The Xbox has digital games available through the Xbox Game Pass subscription, as well as the capability to insert a game disc. To insert a game, simply take the disc out of the case and push it lightly into the slot on the front of the Xbox. Make sure that any artwork or labels on the disc are facing up. When the Xbox is first started, it will go to the Who's Playing Today screen. Simply press A on the controller to select the player. Please feel free to use the Oak Creek Library login. The Xbox will sign into the account, and then the home menu will load. Any disc that is inserted will display in the very first slot at the top left-hand corner. Move the controller to the desired game and press A to start the game. Follow the prompts on screen to continue gameplay. The Xbox has a subscription to Xbox Game Pass. This allows for access to more than 300 games, including classics. On the home screen, navigate to the main menu by pressing the Xbox button on the controller. Navigate down to Game Pass and press A to select it in order to see what games are available with online play. If a game requires a password to download, please go to the second floor main service desk and let staff know a password is needed to continue. When you are done playing a game, press the Xbox button on the controller to open a menu. Select Home by pressing A. To eject the video game disc, simply press the eject button located to the right of the disc slot on the front of the device. The game will pop out and you can take it and put it back into its case. If you grab a controller and press the power button and nothing lights up on the controller, most likely the batteries are dead. Please go to the second floor main service desk and ask for replacement batteries. To replace the batteries, remove the panel on the back of the controller. Take out the dead batteries and discard in the trash, then place the new batteries into the controller. Make sure to pay attention to the positive and negative end of the battery and how to place it in the controller. Then put the panel back on the controller and replace the silicone rubber grip. To turn off the Xbox, press the Xbox button on the controller while on the Xbox menu screen. Navigate to Turn Off Console and press the A button to select. Alternatively, you can tap the power button located at the right-hand side on the front of the device. The Xbox controller itself does not get turned off. Simply place the controller back in the basket, and over time it will automatically turn itself off.